大家好. In the next few lessons, we're going to start describing our daily routines using all of the grammar structures that we've been learning in the previous chapters. 今天我们要学习我们早上做什么。我们看一下，第一，起床。第二，洗澡。第三，早饭。第四，洗了澡以后就吃早饭。第五，这是我们今天的新的语法点，一边什么什么什么，一边什么什么什么什么。我们的第一个生词是起床。This is a verb object to get out of bed, literally. 床 is a bed. You can see it's made out of wood here, 床。起床 to get up out of bed. 起床。我们的第二个生词是洗澡。You can see they both have water radicals here. 洗 means to wash, and 澡 also means to wash. Take a bath, take a shower. 洗澡。我们的第三个生词早饭。morning, 饭 food, morning food. 早 breakfast, 早饭。These are all things that we do in the morning, and we can combine all of these words in this very nice sentence. 早上7点半起床. At 7 o'clock in the morning, I get up out of bed. 洗了澡以后就吃早饭. After I wash, after I take a shower, then I eat breakfast. And the 就 means this happens, the second action happens as soon as I finish the first action. So as soon as I take a shower, 洗了澡, then I eat breakfast. This structure 洗了澡以后就吃早饭 is of course a verb plus le plus object plus 以后 plus 就 plus verb plus object plus le structure. 洗了澡以后就吃早饭. Now, there's one le in this structure. 洗了澡 verb plus le plus object. That is the our familiar le as completed action structure, right? I completed the act of taking a shower. After I did that, then I went to eat breakfast. There's no second final le because this is a habitual action. This is not something that is happening at a specific time. It's happening often, habitually. This is something I do all the time, so there's no change of state because this le is the second so-called sentence final change of state. Le. So it is not present in the sentence. 我们的第四个生词是我们今天的语法点，一边。Literally, 边 means side. So like literally it's like side by side. But we would translate in English as simultaneously. So the structure is 一边 action 1, 一边 action 2. So as action 1 is happening, action 2 is also happening at the same time. Usually it doesn't really matter what order you put the actions in because they're happening at the same time. But the kind of the more important action, the one that's starting a little bit earlier, the one that's the main action, is the one you usually put first. Notice that there's no le at all with 一边. Why? Well, remember what le is. When do we use le? We use le for A, a completed action, or B, with a change of state. Because 一边is used when there are two actions that are happening right now at the same time. We never use le because there's no completion and there's no change of state. Let's look at an example. 我们一边吃饭，一边练习说中文。We eat food and speak Chinese at the same time. It's literally side by side. That's what 一边 means, side by side. Now, the main action is probably food, and also at the same time, we're going to be practicing Chinese. Let's look at another example. 他常常一边吃饭一边看电视。常常一边吃饭一边看电视。我一边洗澡一边唱歌。我妹妹喜欢一边看书一边听音乐，一边看书一边听音乐。好，and those are our new words for today. 谢谢大家。